Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So dear viewers, today we are going to discuss an innovative project that is built on Solana blockchain and its name is Donut. So in this video, I am going to introduce you with Donut meme coin, how it works and how we can buy it. In this video, I am going to provide you all the details regarding this project. So this video is going to be very informative. Don't skip any part of the video. Before we get into the details of the project, here I would like to suggest all my viewers to subscribe my YouTube channel Jerry Promo and hit the bell icon so you never miss out any update regarding further projects. So dear viewers, keep it in mind that this video is being made only for the information. It must not be considered as financial investment advice. So please do your own research before any investment decision. Here we will discuss about the Donut. So first of all, we will discuss what is Donut. So dear viewers, Donut Coin, a community powered project on the Solana blockchain designed to create a decentralized self-sustaining economy. Unlike projects that favor large investors, Donut Coin operates on a proof of community system where active participants are the real winners. This unique model rewards contribution to ecosystem growth while strengthening token liquidity automatically. So here you can see that it's a community driven project, active share and claim. If you have ever put money into generic meme coins, congratulations, you are the product. You bought a dream that never came true while the creators became millionaires, but enough is enough. Now you have the chance to be part of something real, something revolutionary, something made for you to win. The difference between winning and being scammed is the table below. Donut versus same old meme, just with a different name. Here you can check the differences between Donut and other memes. Here you can check it's 100% distributed to the community, proof of community system, competitive distribution, continuous liquidity, total transparency, ranking system, reward system, and more than just a meme. So here you can compare both Donut and the other memes, so you can find out the difference. Dozens of advantages. You can check out the details on website. And this is the white paper of the Donut, and I would like to recommend all my viewers to read out the details on the white paper. Here you can get detailed information about the introduction and here how it works. You can also check. So here I will explain how it works. Donut coin runs on a smart 3-slot matrix system that is transparent, fair and fully automated. Here how it works. Slot 1. So first of all, I will explain slot 1. Liquidity and token burn. The first user you refer joins with $10 in SOL, which automatically buys Donut tokens from the liquidity pool. These tokens are instantly burned, reducing supply and supporting long-term value. And here the slot 2 smart contract lock. The second user's $10 in SOL is securely locked in a smart contract, waiting for your matrix to complete. And here is the slot 3 reward and re-entry. When the third user joins, your matrix completes. The locked SOL from slot 2 is released to your wallet as a reward. Simultaneously, the system automatically places you in a new matrix cycle under your sponsor, keeping your earning journey continuous and automated. Here is an important note for the users and viewers. To ensure smooth activation and cover network fees, it is recommended to start with $15 in SOL instead of just $10. This helps you matrix launch successfully without any interruptions. So this is the complete process, how it works. So here we will discuss the reward system. The Donut coin reward system ensures fair participations and automated rewards. Single reward trigger. Your reward is released only when slot 3 completes your matrix. Slot 1 purchase burn and slot 2 lock, and slot 3 is for reward and re-entry. Once slot 3 joins, your reward is instantly released and you are automatically placed into a new matrix, keeping your earning cycle active without any manual steps. The proof of community model means no early privileges or hidden advantages, just real growth powered by active community members. So we will discuss how we can buy it. So here we will see. For getting started with Donut Coin is simple and beginner friendly. Set up a Solana wallet, download Phantom Wallet or Solflare, create your wallet and securely back up your recovery phrase. The second one will be purchase Sol by Solana, SOL, from any exchange like Binance, Coinbase or Kraken and transfer it to your wallet, and then you will have to connect to Donut Coin. So here I will prefer to connect my Solflare wallet. So dear viewer, it is recommended that you must have $15 Sol tokens in your wallet, and here first of all we will have to connect our Solflare wallet to buy Donut meme coins, and here you can see that I am going to connect my Solflare wallet. So it has been successfully connected and you can see we have entered the dashboard of the Donut. So first of all we will have to activate the matrix because a fixed amount of Donut tokens is unlocked from the vault. These tokens are proportionally distributed among all users who successfully completed a matrix during this period. The logic is simple. The more matrices you complete, the larger your share of that week's distribution. This system rewards actions, not hype, and ensures that every token in circulation is backed by real user participation. So first of all here the first condition is to activate the matrix, and here you can see that we are going to activate our first matrix, and here you can see it will take some time to process and it will completed when some preliminary conditions are fulfilled. So these are going to be processed, and here you can check it that it will take some time. So when the process goes to 100% we will make it successful, and here you can see that we have been completed, and here you can check the 3 slots which I have already explained. Here we will put one of our referral link, and after putting these referral link we can proceed further. So this is the process. So here you can see that the Donut is a deflationary meme coin totaling 21 million supply, will be distributed over 36 weeks. Each week has a fixed token release and increasing steadily to match the expansion. Here you can see that we can take part in the next airdrop in 6 days, 15 hours and 2 minutes are left. Every week airdrop we can claim it. We will be eligible for the next airdrop in next week, and when you complete it you can claim your reward. So this is the predictable model, gives you very user friendly visibility into the supply schedule, no surprises, no hidden emissions, and you can get amazing rewards, and there is no insider unlocks. So first of all we will create a user profile, and here you can see we will have sent up email password. We will verify it, and after verifying the password we will be succeeded to create our user name, and here we can also claim, and here this is the complete process by which you complete your matrix. So this is a Telegram community, and I would like to recommend all my viewers to be part of this Telegram community to get real-time updates, community support and exclusive announcements. And the next one is the official page of Donut on Twitter, and I would like to suggest all my viewers to follow Donut on Twitter to stay informed on project news, upcoming events and ecosystem developments. Joining the community not only keeps you informed but also connects you with like-minded participants, growing the Donut Coins ecosystem together. So dear viewers, if you are ready to explore a transparent and community-driven ecosystem on Solana, Donut Coin is the project to experience today. Activate your first matrix, join the community and be part of this exciting decentralized journey. All official links including the website, white paper and social media channels are listed in the video descriptions. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Jerry Promo for more professional crypto insights and updates on the latest blockchain projects. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay secure, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.